Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Now you need to choose Connection Preferences and hit Printing. Lastly, you can add a service, install the best one for you and click on it, or just click on Default Print Service. And either way, wait! Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Remember to always have only one service running, so if you wish to install the other one, disable this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!